Hello there, welcome to our channel Law and Health again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to find the hidden chats on your Viber account. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to access the hidden Viber chats on your Viber account, let's open up our Viber app first. And after opening your Viber app, you can see the search button on the top right corner of the screen. Tap over there, and after landing over here, you can see you'll be required to enter the passcode which you had registered on Viber at the time of hiding your chats. Like this, I had entered the passcode like this, and you can see there is the hidden icon available on that person's profile picture, which is my friend. I had blocked for this video's purpose. And there guys, after entering your security passcode which you had used to hide the chat, after you type over here on the search bar, the hidden chats will be available to you. And there guys, this is how you find your hidden chats on your Viber. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.